Let's make maple rosemary roasted chicken. You'll need Brussels sprouts, rosemary, baby potatoes, maple syrup, and a whole chicken. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Then slice your Brussels sprouts in half. Next, finely chop the rosemary leaves. In a saucepan, melt the butter along with the maple syrup and the chopped rosemary until bubbly. Pat the chicken dry and add 2 sprigs of rosemary into the chicken. Using kitchen twine, tie together the chicken legs tightly. This ensures that you'll have a really nice juicy chicken. Add the chicken to a baking dish along with the Brussels sprouts and the potatoes. Pour the maple butter all over the chicken and the veggies. Use your hands to make sure everything is fully combined. Next, season the chicken and veggies generously with salt and pepper. Roast the chicken for 1 hour. Every 15 minutes, remove the chicken and baste it with the juices from the pan. If needed, add a splash of water to the bottom of the pan to release the juices. Once finished, carve the chicken and serve with the veggies. Enjoy!